If you are in search of a reliable and professional land surveyor in Gandhinagar, look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. As a leading surveying company, SCON Design India offers comprehensive land surveying services to clients in Gandhinagar and beyond. With their team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors, they are able to provide accurate and detailed surveys for various purposes, including land development, construction projects, and property boundary identification. When it comes to land surveying, accuracy is of utmost importance. SCON Design India understands this and employs the latest surveying technologies and techniques to ensure precise results. Their team of surveyors is well versed in using advanced surveying instruments such as total stations, GPS receivers, and laser scanning devices, enabling them to capture accurate measurements and data. This attention to detail and commitment to accuracy sets them apart from other surveying companies in Gandhinagar. SCON Design India also prides itself on its professionalism and commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every client has unique requirements and objectives, and they strive to tailor their services accordingly. Whether you need a topographic survey, a boundary survey, or a construction layout survey, their team will work closely with you to understand your needs and deliver results that meet or exceed your expectations. By choosing SCON Design India as your land surveyor in Gandhinagar, you can rest assured that your project is in capable hands. They have built a reputation for delivering high-quality surveys in a timely manner, helping clients make informed decisions about their land and property. With their expertise and dedication to excellence, SCON Design India is the trusted choice for land surveying services in Gandhinagar. Contact them today to discuss your surveying needs and experience their professional approach firsthand. Looking for a reliable GOVT land surveyor in Gandhinagar? Choose SCON Design India for accurate and detailed surveys for land development, construction projects, and property boundary identification.